In the hush after hatching, a clutch of baby crocodiles claws free of their sandy nest, vulnerable, blind to danger, and for one fatal window, alone. Their mother, the fierce guardian who should be standing sentinel, is elsewhere. Into that silence slides an ancient predator, a python, patient as stone, drawn by movement and warmth. Across cultures, serpents devouring the young of other creatures have long fed folklore, seen as omens, as tricksters, as embodiments of nature's indifferent hunger. Here, myth gives way to unfiltered biology. A python's ambush is not cruelty, but instinct. A single opportunity seized in the brief chaos of a mother's absence. In the wild, protection is everything, and its absence, even for a moment, can be everything too.
In a galaxy far away, where stars shine bright, I'm the chosen one. Ready for the fight, with my Jedi powers, I'll defend what's right. Galactic hero, I'm the beacon of light. With my lightsaber, slice through the dark, battle droids and Sith Lords, leaving my mark. With the Force on my side, I leave them in shock. Galactic hero, I control every spark. I'm the galactic hero, the legend lives up in space and time. I'll eternally dwell. I'll save the universe from all the darkest of fears. Galactic hero, I'll wipe away all the tears. In a galaxy far away, where stars shine bright, I'm the chosen one. Ready for the fight, with my Jedi powers, I'll defend what's right. Galactic hero, I'm the